Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Gardening, and I have started a new series called The Easiest Houseplants One Can Grow. So in this series, I'll be talking about some select plants that are very easy and they don't require too much of care, just minimal watering and just normal sunlight and things like that, and they will grow really well indoors. So I've started this series because I have full-fledgedly started indoor gardening, and I wanted to share this experiential knowledge because experience is what teaches you. At the end of the day, if I tell you this is a good indoor plant, but I'm not really growing it indoors, then it does not serve the purpose. So this particular episode is after years of observing my plants indoors and seeing what really grows and what really doesn't. So one of the best plants that I have growing indoors is the Philodendron Burle Marx. So you can see that here. And these are known for their glossy leaves. You can look at the new leaves, they're very glossy. And then if you just want to add some green, and if you don't mind repeat plants, then the Burle Marx is excellent. You can just have this on your plant ledge or anywhere that you want it to be a little green and things like that. So the Burle Marx is an excellent choice. So some of the care tips for this plant is watering. So I water this once a week, okay, especially even during summer months, even during winter months. I water this once a week, but during winter sometimes it could be once in 2 weeks because the soil might be still wet, right? So if you have to check if the soil is wet like this to touch, if the soil is this wet, then you shouldn't be watering the plant. That is the only thing that you need to check. Otherwise, if you see the soil is really dry, bone dry, then you can water it. But this is quite drought tolerant. It can tolerate maybe another week without watering and things like that, and it will still survive. So that is why this is an excellent indoor plant. Then you look at sunlight conditions. This tolerates low light conditions. So I have kept this particular Burle Marx on top of my refrigerator, which does not get too much sunlight, and still it does really well. So that's how low light this plant can get. Another interesting fact is that this does not really require soil. It can grow in water as well. And fertilizing, even if you don't fertilize this with compost or seaweed or anything of that sort, it will still do well. That's a great plus for this plant. Another thing is, like, if you want to use some kind of a support like a stake or something of that sort, then it will grow because it has these nodes, and then they climb with the help of these aerial roots, and then they will look good. So if you want it to grow really tall, then it can grow tall with the help of some stakes. Or else if you want to have this kind of a bushy appearance where it just circularly grows, then you can have this in such containers as well without any stake. And then potting soil, you can grow this even in clayey soil, but ensure that the watering is adequate when you grow this in clayey soil. But otherwise, general well draining all purpose soil can benefit this. A little bit of compost in the beginning stage will also help. So another interesting facet about this plant is that it can do well with hard water. So there would be no burning of the edges or any distress signs on this plant because you've used hard water. So even if you want to use your RO refuse water, you can do that as well with this plant. You can abuse this plant and it will still do really well. And another interesting thing about this plant is, see, you can get this size of Burle Marx with just a small pot like this, right? So a small container like this will give you so much growth. So you don't really have to use big pots, and this will do well on ledges, kitchen countertops, and things like that. And propagation is also very easy. If you want, I can show it to you. So you can just identify a node for propagation. You can cut it at a 45-degree angle. and you've got a cutting. And what you have to do is you just have to put this either in water, or you can use a well-draining soil mix and propagate this. You can just stick it inside like this in a well-draining potting mix, and then you can water this, and then you can grow new saplings. So this will root very quickly. In a matter of 3 weeks, you would see new growth as well as new roots. So that's not an issue at all. And if you want to grow this in water and then add it in soil, you can do that as well. So in water, the roots develop quickly. So that is an easier method as well. So this is a great plant, the Philodendron Burle Marx. You can get it home if you want a hassle-free gardening journey. And if you're a new gardener, this is a great plant as well.